Today we're going to take a little tour of Glenshire, Devonshire, a residential planned community about 5 miles east of Truckee and 30 miles or about 30 minutes to Reno, Nevada. I'm Trinkie Watson, and I love helping people buy and sell real estate in the Lake Tahoe region. Be sure to email me or telephone with any questions you may have. This community is kind of considered in the banana belt, as there is less snow here than we do have in Truckee itself. There are about 85% of the homes are occupied full-time by residents. It's a wonderful community that has a school and has a little shopping center. We'll take you on a tour and show you all these things. Glenshire Drive leads from Truckee about 5 miles into the subdivision, where there are 1-acre parcels along the way in. These allow for horses, while the smaller parcels do not. We can take a left turn about a half mile into the area to find a family-owned and operated general store, pizza parlor, and Hair for Today that has been there since 1992. Playdate Preschool is across the street and cares for children between the ages of 2 to 5 years old and 6 to 10 years for after-school and summer camp programs. Further into the subdivision is the Glenshire Elementary School, part of the Tahoe Truckee Unified School District. There are 236 acres of greenbelt located within the subdivision, with several equestrian and recreation easements for residents to enjoy. From here, we go back to Glenshire Drive and head east to the community clubhouse with pool, tennis pickleball court, and half-court basketball complex located along the 11-acre Glenshire Pond with a perimeter walking trail. There is a playground as well as barbecue gazebo that can be reserved for private use. Within the Glenshire area, there are other subdivisions including Cambridge Estates, The Meadows, Martis Peak, Juniper Hill, Sierra Bluffs, Tahoe Boca Estates, Elkhorn Ridge, and Juniper Creek Ranch. These areas offer larger parcels with custom-built homes and have a separate HOA from each other in Glenshire, Devonshire. This is a trip down memory lane for me, as I was working for the developer when the land was first purchased, and there was only a dirt road into the property. We built a residence that became our sales office, and things took off after that. With further expansion, it now consists of 1,236 individual lots and 237 acres of open space. Although prices in this community have ranged from the $500,000 to $700,000 and now up over $1 million, there are still opportunities under $1 million in this wonderful neighborhood community. As you leave the area and head down the hill to the Interstate 80, a quaint and historic unincorporated neighborhood called Hurstdale is on the right, parallel to the Truckee River with access to the Tahoe Pyramid Bike Trail. Bridges from 1926 and only 27 homes occupy this beautiful area. As you approach the on-ramp for the I-80 east and west, the road continues along the Little Truckee River across the railroad tracks to Boca Reservoir, which is a dam for the river as well as a popular spot for water recreation and camping. Thanks for joining us on this little tour today. Next time we'll finish up with a few more of our ski areas in the northern Lake Tahoe area. In the meantime, be sure to subscribe here.